Subscribe the channel Knowledge FX and press the bell icon adjacent to the subscribe button to get the instant notification of the latest videos in the future. So hello guys, welcome you to Knowledge FX. I am yours Magesh here. Today in this video we will see the best online courses on digital marketing for free. So number one, we have the first course by Google, so which is called the Fundamentals of Digital Marketing, where we'll be learning all the basics knowledge of the digital marketing and how you can grow your business or career using the digital marketing. So about this course is about 26 modules which will be covered in the duration of 40 hours, and it is very ideal for beginners and free of cost. This is IAB accredited course and with the video tutorials and unlimited access and recognized certification by Google. So after the end of this course you will be getting the certification from Google too. So how it works actually is there will be about 26 modules. We will be learning about the various topics of fundamentals of the digital marketing, and you will be taking the final exams of 40 questions and finally you will be getting certificate. And these questions are very easy if you go through these modules very carefully and learning the things. So these are the things which will be covered in this module, and you will be learning, and there is 26 modules. Finally, you will be getting the skills trained by this course, like business strategy, content marketing, displaying advertising, e-commerce, email marketing, local marketing, mobiles, SEM, SEOs, social media, videos and all. So you will be finding some success stories of the various entrepreneurs, how they made use of this course and developed their business, and we are finding some FAQs in that. So next we have a course on digital marketing by Digital Deepak, and this is also an ideal course for beginners who don't have any basic knowledge about the digital marketing. And this course will be very free of cost and very basics. And Deepak Kanakaraju is an CEO, co-founder of this course, who is an entrepreneur and who is having experience of 10 plus years of experience in digital marketing. And he has created this free digital marketing course so that you can learn the digital marketing basics for the free of cost. And these course will be through 25 free lessons which will be delivered to your inbox of your email. So simply you just have to make the sign up process here, and after that you will be getting one confirmation mail, and after that you can start learning the courses. So they will be sending in a link to that courses, and you will be directly going to the website and learning the things. And also if you want to download any of this lesson, you can download completely for free of cost. And after the end of this course you will be getting a certification by the Digital Deepak. So next we have a course on digital marketing by MOZ Academy, and these courses I will say this is for some advanced level in digital marketing. You will be getting the content on very specific topics of digital marketing like SEO, and this is a platform for one of that skill learning training. And here we will be learning the courses like the basics from the starter series pack, sequel pack, SEO essentials and certificates, and SEO client prospecting and pitch series, how to use your MOZ Pro, SEO fundamentals. So here you will be covered all the SEO topics, what are the most advanced things in it, so that you can upgrade your skills of digital marketing. So accordingly you can filter your searches for your course, like here you have beginner. So if you want to do the beginner level courses, these courses are here for you. And if you want to do and novice, like limited knowledge of digital marketing you have, so you can do these courses in SEOs. And also if you have an moderate experience or intermediate level, so you can do much advanced courses in SEOs. And also you can filter the SEO topics which you want to learn. And how to do this I will tell you, like until 31st of May they are offering all their courses of free of cost. So what you have to do is simply just pick any of these courses and use this promo code we got this. So if you do this at checkout, if you use this promo code, you will be getting this course free of cost. So let me show you one, like take any of these courses, like I'm taking this course, SEO client prospecting and pitch series. So simply just click on this course and they will be showing purchases for $295. So simply just click here Actually I made a sign up process and I just logged in, so that's why I'm simply showing you. So if you didn't made it, please make the sign up process first, and after that go to this process and just make here we got this. So if you apply this, sorry I just made it in caps, we got this. So if you apply this, you will be getting 0, like so. Now click purchase here. So here it is. So you can start learning these courses with the basics and all. So all the things will be here, and about the courses you can get it here, and you can do this course according to your pace. At what time you want to make this course, at what time you want to learn this course, it depends on you. And make use of this course if you want to make your SEO's fundamentals very stronger. So next we have another course on SEO, and this is again an advanced course on SEO, and it is offered by Craig Campbell. So this is an SEO training and consultancy agency, and at present they are offering 3 courses for free of cost, that is affiliate marketing basic and advanced SEO courses and black hat SEOs. So let's go one by one. So at present we have the affiliate courses here, so which is for free of cost, and this is a course curriculum you'll be getting, like selling an affiliate website, affiliate podcast, buying an affiliate website, growing it, link building, and how you can get your visitors to website. So tools and software and plugin you have to help use of, and what to put on your website. So how to build your website, own website, expired domains or start with a new domain, affiliate marketing pitfalls you need to avoid, how to find your niche, and examples of some affiliate deals you can get. So what makes an affiliate marketing so great, right? So what type of money can be made through affiliate you will be learning here. So from the basic I just came from the reverse. If you start here, you will be getting from introduction to what are the courses I have shown here now. You will be making it. So simply just you can start here, getting started, make with the basics sign up process, you can start learning. So see, at present these courses are offered free of cost. So at present if you are doing some any other courses or you just engaged, so simply just make with the registration process, make the course, sign up with this, and later you can do this course, because the offers is for the limited time only. So make use of this, register these courses at present, and do these courses later on. So next we have advanced SEO courses. Again the second course is by Craig Campbell, and here you have done SEO courses on digital tool overview and guides, and SEO glossary, AdWords, PNB tutorials, Facebook ads, link building, SEO speakers event, additional extras in agencies, and podcast. So there are about 21 modules are there. So it is randomly just arranged. I just show you from the starting. So it has about these modules which is being covered in this course. So last we have the Black Hat SEO course by the again Craig Campbell, the third course, and this is a course. Actually Black Hat SEO is what somewhat aggressive SEO techniques you can use to make your searches appear in the top rankings. Like if you have a company name Lord Pride, if you type P, your company result will show at the first. So this is what called as Black Hat SEOs, and we'll be learning the variety of techniques in this to how to make use of this Black Hat SEO technique. That's the end of this video, and links for all these courses is available at the description of this video. And if you like this video, please like and share, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel. Until then, see you all, take care and have a good day.